Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here is the part 3rd of our video series in which we are learning the names of various jobs and occupations in Korean language. If you have not watched the first 2 parts yet, then you can go and watch them on Korean Express YouTube channel. So now let's start with the 3rd part. Here comes the first word, and that is the Korean word for librarian. It is 사서. Okay, now let's see how you are going to say hairdresser in Korean language, and that is 미용사. Next comes the Korean word for janitor, and that is 관리인. Okay, now let's see what is the next word, and that is the Korean word for dentist. It is 치과의사. Okay, next comes the Korean word for firefighter, and that is 소방관. Now let's see the Korean word for scientist, and that is 과학자. Okay, here comes the next word, and that is the Korean word for waiter, and in Korean it is called waiter. As you can see, it is a loan word. Okay, next comes the Korean word for police officer, and that is 경찰관. Okay, now comes the Korean word for wet, and that is 수의사. Okay, and here is the next word, and that is the Korean word for interpreter or translator, and that is 동역사. Okay, so today we learned 10 Korean words for various jobs and occupations. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.